Okay, welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are going to do a scrap video of, this is something that I have been wanting to do. Now I have enough of the colors that I wanted, and these are all my little scraps. And yes, I will be using this one also. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out a font or something that I want, and I actually have it, and it says America with a banner on it. So I am going to cut these all in strips, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to place those on there. So I'm going to start cutting these in strips, and as long as they have a straight edge on them, they'll be fine. So let me go ahead and I'm going to cut these a little bit thinner, that way you can see more of it. Okay. Alright, so I have some of those. I like to keep my videos short, so that way you're not watching me through the entire thing. So I'm going to pause, cut all my little strips, and I will be back. Alright, so I cut everything out. Let me move these over just a little bit. I have two different colors of red. I have two different colors of blue. And we are just going to kind of randomly put these together. What I'm going to do before I put this on my mat is I'm going to use Siser TDD HTV mask. Okay, which I'm going to then, after I put it on there, I am going to put it on my mat. Alright, so this is actually for our printable vinyl that we have, our heat transfer printable vinyl. And this can be heat pressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay and I'll show you why I'm laying it diagonal like this, just to give it a little bit more, whoops, wrong side. Okay. These lights in here kind of give a reflection. Alright, so I'm going to randomly set these in here. Alright, and then I'm going to use a few of the and if I have a gap, I'm going to pick it up and redo it. You can actually use this a few times. So and the setting that I'm going to use this on is glitter. I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, I'm going to finish putting these on here, and I will be back. So I laid it all out here, and I trimmed it off to what I needed. Okay. Move all of those over. All right. I'm going to take my mat and I am going to go up here. Okay. Okay. And I do have glitter on here, so I'm going to cut it with the glitter setting so it goes through. Alright. Kind of have a little pattern. I wanted to stay with the red, white, and blue. So take it out of the cutter now. Alright, and because I have it on the high tack that I'll be able to do this with, so now I can get to weeding this. Alright, this will take a little bit longer than normal. Because of course alright, so I'm going to start this process. But you can okay, so I separated everything and let's see if I can, let me come over here. Okay, well that made it worse. Okay. So I'm going to put this, at first I was going to put it on a white, but of course I can't do that, and so I'm going to put it on a gray, and I actually see a few spots that I didn't weed out. Guess I should have. Okay, so now we are going to press this on a gray shirt. I think this is going to be pretty. Alright, I'm going to pre-press. This for about 5 seconds just to get the moisture out. Okay. Put that for 10 seconds. How neat is that? Alright guys, if there's something else that you want to see, like I said, drop a comment, subscribe. I also show quick stuff on our TikTok also. So just let me know what you think.